Are you frustrated with failed diets? It's time for a change. The secret to effective weight loss may be your gut health. Within your digestive system, a community of microorganisms affects your weight. Healthy gut bacteria influence digestion, fat burning, and appetite regulation. Modern diets disrupt this balance, making weight loss harder. To restore your gut, consider a powerful combination of probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are the beneficial bacteria you need. Prebiotics are fibers that nourish these good bacteria. Together, they create a symbiotic blend for optimal gut health. Introducing Probiosin Plus. This advanced supplement supports fat burning and restores gut balance. Its unique formulation combines probiotics and prebiotics for maximum effectiveness. Probiosin Plus stands out from the competition. It includes LactoSpore probiotic culture, which survives stomach acid. Plus, it features chicory root prebiotic fibers to feed beneficial bacteria. Don't forget Garcinia cambogia, which helps curb your appetite. With DRcaps technology, active ingredients reach your intestines effectively. If weight loss has been tough, it's time to focus on gut health. Probiosin Plus offers a proven solution for weight management and digestive wellness. Are you ready to unlock your body's potential? Start your journey to sustainable weight loss today.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about how this product can help you, find the official website link in the description.